I guess I really don't know what Christmas is all about. Isn't there anyone who knows what Christmas is all about? I can tell you what Christmas is all about.
Brr, always cold. Just get my blanket. Ugh. Hi guys, welcome to Vlogmas day 2. It is Wednesday morning. I'm having a lot of trouble getting started this morning for some reason. Sort of tired. But that's okay. We're gonna make it work. Today is going to be a pretty busy work day. Usually Wednesdays are. There's gonna be a bit to do, but nothing unmanageable. I have a call with my client this afternoon, as I do every Wednesday. So I really just sort of want to trek through my to-do list, get as much done before that call as possible. Speaking of, I don't even think I have a to-do list for today yet. I need to write down all of that because that'll help. Oh boy, all right. This is all a real downer, all of this. But less of a downer, I think all of my Black Friday goodies are getting here today. I only ordered one from one place. I just ordered from Forever 21, which I never shop at Forever 21. But I was just checking it out and they had a lot of good loungewear options, which is really all I cared about buying this Black Friday. Mostly because, well, actually for a few reasons. One, because obviously I just live in loungewear now. I don't even understand when I spend money on things that aren't loungewear because it just makes no sense to me. And two, usually on Black Friday I would buy like a ton of people's Christmas presents, all of Connor's stuff like that, because I just want to get the deals. But this year it's just gonna be a little different. Connor and I are not exchanging gifts the way that we typically would. I already got stuff for my parents, so I'm covered on that. I love just Molly's little head poking in here from the top. Hi. So yeah, I don't know. I just didn't shop that much on Black Friday. Molly, I need to get to work. It's already 8:45. No, I do love you though. Look at this girl. Time for work, Molly Cat. Mwah. I love you.
Totally forgot that I did this, but I placed a little grocery order last night just to pick up a few little things, but I want to show you guys. Basically on Instacart, after you check out, it's like, here's some other things we think that you'll like, and I never looked through it, but for some reason I did, and I found something, or they suggested me something that I was like, whoa, I think I have to try this. It is this cauliflower spicy-ish chicken tenders. So I guess it's made out of cauliflower? Or maybe, am I wrong about this being vegan? I really thought that this was vegan. Nope. It's just coated with rice flour and cauliflower. I thought that these were like spicy chicken tenders. Oh well, like I'm fine with eating chicken, so I will definitely still eat these. I think they could be yummy for lunch maybe, but that is funny. I really just thought, I don't know, cauliflower, that sounds vegan to me, but anyway, look at this, 490 calories for the whole bag. I could eat this whole bag of chicken tenders for less than 500 calories. That's pretty good. And speaking of just healthy options, I got a giant thing of cookie dough just to have in the fridge. This will take me a year to go through probably, but I always buy like the smaller packs and I only want to make a couple cookies from it, and then the cookie dough ends up like getting hard or going bad. So I figured just getting an actual tub where I can just go in, make like 3 cookies for myself whenever I'm craving it. That'd be good. So I'm gonna put this stuff away and then continue on with the work. All right, lunch is some leftover pasta that I have from this weekend. It's gonna be so yummy. It's not a lot though, so I probably will have a little snack either this afternoon or maybe if I'm still hungry after lunch. And I'm watching some Schitt's Creek. So you guys, I just wanted to take a quick second to talk to you about something sort of hard about this year and something that I think a lot of people are facing. I just got off the phone with my parents and we have been talking about for the past couple weeks, yeah, maybe 2 weeks, week and a half, about the potential of me not coming home for Christmas this year. Which makes me so sad to say, like, Christmas is so important to my family. I can't even tell you guys, like, it is our favorite time of year, our favorite time to spend time together. It just breaks my heart to think that that might
not happen this year, but we're definitely really nervous about COVID. You know, like, you're supposed to quarantine if you go into New Jersey for 2 weeks. If you travel back to LA, you're supposed to quarantine here for 2 weeks. That's like a month of quarantine. Holy cow, what are you doing? Hi. On top of the idea of like being around my parents after traveling and seeing the way that it looked during Thanksgiving, it was just so busy, so scary. And then being around my 91-year-old grandfather, and that's all that would be there for Christmas. We're keeping it obviously extremely small. It just doesn't feel safe, you know? And oh my God, that would kill me. No official decision has been made, but it is like looking more and more like I probably won't get to go home, and that just breaks my heart. I've been home for 26 Christmases of my life, and Christmas was just always such a big deal in my family. We just like making a really big deal of it, being a great time, spending time together, baking, cooking, watching Christmas movies, eating Christmas cookies, drinking hot chocolate, like all of the classic things. And everyone in my family is really into Christmas and decorating for Christmas. The way that I got my nickname Little Christmas is because I don't know who started this. I think my mom started calling my dad Mr. Christmas because he loves it so much, and then I got an extreme love for Christmas as well, and so then I was Little Christmas. It's just really insane to think that this year I might not get to spend it with them. But you know, my mom said this to me and it really made me think, where she was like, not to be morbid, but I'd rather not spend Christmas with you this year and get so many more Christmases throughout the rest of our lives together, you know? And that's exactly it. And these are the hard decisions that people are having to make this year, and it sucks. It's just one of those times where we just can't be selfish, and it sucks. It's like I might be spending Christmas in LA. Honestly, the only two things that are making it more bearable is that Connor's gonna be in LA for Christmas this year because he can't go back to Toronto. And to be honest, I have been really sad in the past that I've never spent a Christmas with Molly Cat because she's my best friend. Look at this. Hi. Aww. The bestie. So that will be fun. Like, I'm excited to get to spend Christmas with Molly Cat because I've never gotten to do that, but it's obviously not the same at all. I don't know, none of this is set in stone, none of this is 100% decided, but it is sort of the way that it's looking right now. Hard decisions, you know? Okay, as predicted, I am still hungry, so I don't even have a quantum energy square, but I thought right now could be an excellent opportunity. Oh, no. An excellent opportunity to try this watermelon jerky from Trader Joe's for the first time. I am so intrigued by this. I have no idea what it is going to be like at all. It smells really weird. I don't know, you guys. I mean, look at it. It's all just like, I don't want this all to fall, but it's sort of like clumped together on this little plastic, I guess, so that it doesn't all stick to each other. Okay, there we go. Ripped a piece off. Smells sort of funky. I don't know, I'm nervous. I don't know. I don't hate it. I know, Molly, trust me, I do not want this. It does not taste that bad. Or, I mean, it doesn't taste bad, but it also doesn't taste that good either. Like, I don't see myself ever craving this or wanting to have it ever again, to be totally honest. Like, it's fine. It's not great. I don't know, I'm gonna save it and have Connor try it because I'd be interested to hear what he thinks. I've never really had jerky before, and by never really, I mean I just have never had it before, so it's also hard for me to compare. But I'd be curious to hear his thoughts. I'm sure he's had jerky before. We will just have a quantum energy square instead, my favorite coconut almond chip. You guys know the drill.
Molly Cat, you taking a little napsy? Huh? You got bedhead there. You have bedhead? Yeah. What did you just see? It's okay. You are the funniest little cat. I love you. Very cute. Boop, boop. 4:45 p.m. and it's getting dark outside. I don't even know if this does it justice for how dark it actually looks. I feel like the camera's correcting, but yeah, it's gonna be dark in like 10 minutes, no doubt. It's very sad. Right, Molly Cat? Molly, Missy. Oh, hi. Yeah, that's my hand. What are you doing? Yeah.
The good news is though that it's 4:45 and we are almost done with work. So that's always nice. I think we'll be done by like 5:30 or 6 today. High five. Yeah. Well, you guys, it is finally the end of the work day. I ended up working, let's see, what time is it? Oh my God, it's 7:30. How the heck did it end up getting to be 7:30? That's crazy. Here we are, and it is, so we're just rolling with it. By the way, I don't even think that I mentioned this to you guys at all yesterday, but in case you don't know, Los Angeles is back on a stay-at-home order. It started on Monday. We're a couple days into it now. Obviously, that's going to switch up Vlogmas. Sorry, the TV is that's sort of annoying that it keeps reflecting different light. Hopefully that's better. Yeah, Vlogmas is definitely gonna be interesting with that in mind. We'll probably still see some close friends like Kate and Alex, but that's probably it. And otherwise just gonna be me and Connor doing a lot of stuff at home. Not the best way to start Vlogmas, let's be honest, but hopefully you guys understand and will be patient with this maybe not being the most exciting Vlogmas. I still have some fun stuff planned, some fun content obviously, but not ideal, that is for sure. And another thing that I meant to mention yesterday but totally forgot is that this year marks 8 years of Vlogmas. 8, count them. 2013, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. I am so dead. Actually, it's funny because the first 2 seasons of Vlogmas, that is not right. The first 2 years of Vlogmas started right here on this channel. Now we're back to this again. 2013 and 2014 are on this channel, and then 2015 through 2019 moved to my vlog channel, and now we're back here again. So we're just back where we began, but pretty insane to think that I'm almost at a decade of Vlogmas, and I definitely could see myself doing this for at least 2 more years, if not much longer than that. So that's wild. It's a weird thought. So I was sort of thinking about making something fun for dinner tonight, and I think I still will. Why not? Feeling good, I'm still feeling energized. So let me find this. So this is a hot for food recipe that I saw that you can use leftover mashed potatoes to make gnocchi. And I have mashed potatoes in my fridge. So I feel like I should try this before the mashed potatoes go bad. I don't know how they'll turn out, and also I had pasta for lunch, so it's sort of like 2 Italian things in a row, but oh well. we're having an Italian day apparently. Okay guys, we are trying this gnocchi with leftover mashed potatoes. Pulled up this video. This is from Hot for Food. I'll try to remember to link it down below. She is my favorite vegan YouTuber to watch. She's very interesting, although I can't make most of her recipes. They're a little too complicated for me, but I do find them very interesting, and I just like her a lot, so. Anyway, that's that, but this looked easy enough that I think we're gonna try it. It's pretty much just mashed potatoes and flour. Do you guys see this in the background? This scares the shit out of me so often. When I'm just standing here, I'll catch this out of the corner of my eye and it looks like a person. It's not good. Anyway, just thought I would point that out for you, and now let's continue on here. I'm just doing a cup of mashed potatoes, which is all I'll do too, I think, because I don't need that much gnocchi and it's just me. Things are getting messy, you guys, as it always does when you're making homemade pastas. I'm gonna play some Christmas music and try to get this dough to form, and I will report back.
See, sticky ball, but it holds together, it's smooth.
Oh yeah, I feel like ours has that same sound.
Thirds, whatever, thirds, fourths. Okay, cut them into fourths like this.
All right, let's clear some space here. I'm gonna move the flour over.
I like to flatten the end like that a little. It's about 3/4 of an inch wide. Seeing what's happening here? And they look like these little soft. So I'm taking this pillowy top and gently pressing it as it rolls down the fork prongs. And I feel like that one didn't really work, so you could just do it a second time.
So she had hers rolled a little bit down a fork. I tried that, worked okay with this one. I don't know. I don't know if I'll continue doing that or not. I mean, you guys, I sort of killed it, I think. They're a little irregular, so I don't know if they'll cook perfectly, but I mean, I did pretty well. I also remembered that I had this, which is like a scraper that came from my pizza stone, but I felt like this would work the same as a dough cutter instead of using the knife, which worked great. So
Wow, I'm pretty proud of myself. Very intrigued to see how this is gonna go. Okay, so I made about 45 gnocchis. I'm gonna cook 25 of them and then save the other 20. You can freeze them and then make them later. And I have some water on the stove here that we are going to boil them in. Okay guys, now the part where we dump them in. I think, let me just confirm, but I think they're just gonna float when they're done. I'm gonna refer quickly to her cookbook. 2 to 3 minutes, okay, and we'll float to the top. Okay, great, here we go. We're just gonna start dropping them in there. I am very curious to see how these are gonna taste. I really hope they turn out well, but I don't know what's gonna happen. What if this is just a massive fail, you guys? That would suck. Oh, they're starting to float, I think. And then I just have a pan ready here because I'm gonna bring them right in here to let them brown up a little bit. Then we're gonna remove them, we'll make the sauce in this pan, put them back in, and then everything should come together. I'm just gonna transfer them all in here. Okay, just gonna let that brown up. I'm actually just gonna save this water just in case I want any pasta water to use in my sauce. Okay guys, we're at about an hour here that we've spent on these gnocchis now, and I just wanna try one before we spend time making a sauce and all of that, just to confirm that these will be good. Because if they don't even taste good, then what am I doing here? So. Whoa, they're actually so good. Oh my God. Well, that's great. Amazing news. Let's make a quick sauce and eat up. All right, we're just wrapping up this recipe here. In my pan, I have almond milk, nutritional yeast, garlic powder, salt, and chili powder. It's starting to smoke up, so I'm going to, yeah, it's sort of coming to a bubble. So that's when I want to add in my gnocchis, and then we're gonna figure out how thick we need this sauce to be, and I usually do that with just some cornstarch. You want equal parts cornstarch and liquid here. And then I just add in, let me check the thickness of this right now. Okay, just add in like a little bit at a time and see how it goes. Have you ever seen anything more beautiful? I am so happy. Okay, this is gonna be the end of the vlog here, guys. It's already almost 9 p.m. and I feel like we have a lot of footage for today anyway, but I just had to try this for you guys. Oh my God, this is no joke. This is so delicious. Oh my God, Connor's gonna be so jealous that I made this without him. So good. If you guys have leftover mashed potatoes from Thanksgiving still, you gotta try it because this slapped. And was fairly easy. Like, you know, I started at 7:50 maybe even a little later by the time I actually started. And it's 8:59 now. So that's not so bad as far as making homemade pasta goes from start to finish. So camera died, but that's okay. As I said, we're ending the vlog here anyway. So thank you guys for watching today, and I'll see you tomorrow.
Isn't there anyone who knows what Christmas is all